So hot out here today, but I'm sure it's freezing in there, so I'm bringing this with me. Okay, so if anybody knows what champagne soda is, please inform me because I am quite curious. I have never heard of that. Is it like a Hawaiian thing? Because they got like the Hawaiian feel, or is that just the look they went for? I don't know, but if you know, let me know because this girl is curious. I almost want to buy it, but I'm not going to. Okay, so I got such a fun response last week when I did my mom's little grocery haul that I figured I'd show it again. If this is something you want me to continue to do, let me know because I do her shopping every week. So, some standard toilet paper for her, some standard paper towels for her. I got her some gourmet deli bagels, and they're nice and soft. I got her some seasonal favorites, cookies and cream, little bite muffins, some eggs. These look delicious, or at least they sound delicious. They're peanut butter chocolate chunk cookies. How good does that look? Get you a closer look. Yum. And then I got her some peach orchard punch twister juice. I got her some French bread pizza, something different. And then this is like a Portuguese thing. Like if you're Portuguese, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But these are codfish cakes, which is basically made out of codfish, obviously, and mashed potatoes. So these are delicious. You just fry them up. I don't know how those are. I've never bought that brand, but I figured we'd give them a try. And I got her, there are a few more things on her list I got, but this kind of store, you don't get everything. So there were a few things I didn't get. I was going to get her more yogurt, but they didn't have that great of a selection. So I got her Chobani pineapple on the bottom. I got her orange and cream blended Chobani, and then just a Price Rite brand strawberry yogurt. And her last item was just some vegetable cooking oil. Now I'm gonna go drop this stuff off to her, hurry up home and do my haul. So I got myself a really small haul. There wasn't much I wanted from that store at all. I actually had to go more for my mom than I did for myself. The reason I went to that store is because they had flank steak on sale. I've always wanted to buy it. I've never tried it. I've never bought it. So that's why I went there, and they were out. So I went there for nothing because they're not getting it until Monday, and I am not going back. I, however, did get it's falling apart, some ground turkey. I believe this was priced for $2.99, and there is an Ibotta rebate for $1, so this should take me down to $1.99. And then I got 4 kiwis, which was 4 for $1, and their cheeses were 3 for $5. You could get this one sliced or the shredded. I figured I'd go with these and shred it myself, because I know the bagged ones ain't that healthy, and I do use them, but I decided to go the healthier route this time. And then these were for $5.99, and you get 8 of them. So that's for a dinner this week out on the grill. I got a mango. I got 1. They were 3 for $2. And then I got peaches. I believe they were 99 cents a pound, and I got 3 of them. I also showed in my mom's haul some toilet paper. I did get myself a package too. This is 12 double rolls for $3.99. We are running low, and I don't want to be without any. There was somebody at the door. Can you see that glow right there? That's AJ's room. He just got those lights for his birthday, and he has it like around his gaming table. Actually pretty cool. But anyway, somebody was at the door, but like I was saying, I did get myself a package of toilet paper too. This was $3.99 for 12 double rolls, because we are down to 1 package, and that's what happens when you stop couponing. I'm never down that low, So better safe than sorry. Not bad price for that too, and it seems like good quality anyway. And then I got some rigatoni. These were only 66 cents a package. I've never bought this brand before. I don't even know if that's regular price or a special that they were running, but I only bought one package to try it, and if I like the pasta and it remains this price, I think I definitely will go back and stock up, because 66 cents is a really good price on that. And then my last two items that I got was cinnamon sticks and cloves, because it's fruit fly season, and I swear last year I put out both of these and they disappeared. It could be coincidence, I don't know, but I am definitely going to try it again. I'm going to display these out in my kitchen and see if it does the trick again. And that is it. I will see you next week. I don't know what store that will be, but it'll definitely be another haul. Bye. All right. Ugh.